Mrs. Holman made 77 brownies. She gave 49 to the teachers at school, and her family ate 9 of them. She put the rest of the brownies in the freezer. How many brownies did she put in the freezer? Let's go ahead and set up our window pane. Our main idea is what comes first. We are looking for how many brownies she put in the freezer. So let me abbreviate. How many brownies in freezer? Okay, so we are talking about Mrs. H's brownies. And if you look at the first sentence, she made 77 brownies. That's my total that goes at the top of my unit bar. She gave 49 to the teachers at school. So let's show her giving 49 away. So I would draw an arrow going out representing that she's giving those to the teachers at school. And her family ate 9 of them. So if you eat them, they are no longer there. So we are also going to take away a smaller number, which is 9, that have been eaten. The rest of the brownies are in the freezer. So that means that this portion right here is how many are in the freezer. Okay? Once again, I'm going to show you different ways to solve this. You could start with the total number of brownies, and you could subtract what she gave to the teachers at school, and then you can subtract what her family ate and find the difference of how many are in the freezer. Or you can add up what's in the unit bar and subtract from the total, which would look like this. 49 given to the teacher plus the 9 that were eaten would give you a sum, and then you would take that sum and subtract it from the total to find your answer. Most of the students will probably do it this first way, which I'm going to show you. 77 minus 49 is our first step. This is a multi-step problem because she gave away once and then the second time they were eaten. So, 7 take away 9 you cannot do, so let's regroup from the tens. The ones becomes a 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. So there was a total of 77. 49 were given to the teachers at school. That left 28 remaining. But then her family ate 9 of them. So now let's show them eating 9. 8 take away 9, you can't do it, so you need to regroup. That would be a 1 in the tens, and this would be 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. The remaining cookies that went into the freezer should have been 19. Now, this problem had a griddable, which looked like this, in order to bubble their answer. That's why you see here it says record your answer and fill in your bubbles on the answer document. The answer document looks like this. And the answer was 19, so they would write a 1 in the tens and a 9 in the ones. The bubbles on each side go from 0 to 9 on each side. So on this side, they would have bubbled the number 1. And then down here, they would have bubbled the number 9, and making sure that they bubble very neatly on the answer document. Now, I had to subtract twice, and the students can also put that it was a multi-step, since they had to do more than one step to solve.